Hey, you guys, this is Makeupbycawansa. You guys, I came in to do a quick show and tell of my new Melodysusie cordless drill, the Athena cordless drill that I got in the mail today. I ordered it because I have to go back to doing my nails because the nail shop that I usually go to, it closed down. So I'm back doing my own nails. So I have a lot of other drills, but I wanted to get this one because it is cordless and it's like a little pin. And I just wanted to get it because it may or may not be useful and have less hassle than with the cards. Okay, so right out the box we got a little 20% coupon. If you seen that, you guys, you can go ahead and use that coupon because I have a lot of drill bits that I have accumulated over the years of doing my own nails. Okay, and I'm just showing you guys this the user manual, and I'm showing you guys right now what comes in the kit. I got this kit on sale for $38 and something. 40 something, $42 if you're with the shipping. Okay. These are the bits, the regular normal bits that comes with the little device. And these drill bits you can use to prep your nails for acrylic lay or okay, yeah, and that's for to just clean up your natural nails for whenever you do your acrylics or you do your gels, however you're doing your nails, maybe with poly gel. They give you some sanding bands to go on the drill. This is the card. You got to have your own block. It don't come with a block, but you can get a block from anywhere. It comes with a nice little ceramic medium large barrel C ceramic drill bit. Okay, it's not a safety drill bit, but it looks like a pretty good one to get with that. I usually like the safety ones, and that's the safety ones are just like rounded at the end so that it don't be harsh on your cuticle area. And this is the pretty little drill. Is like pin shape. I'm not gonna say it's super light because it's not super light. It's a little bit lighter than I have a Scarlet. If you guys are familiar with the Scarlet drill from Melodysusie, it's a little bit lighter than that drill bit. Um the Scarlet goes with plug in, but this is cordless. So you hold it a while, then it comes on. It goes to the first speed, second speed, and third speed, and you change the speeds. Where I was pressing just now, you change the speeds right there. Okay, and you just hold it for it to go on or hold it to go off. And that one that I'm pressing right now is to reverse the drill direction if you wanted to go left or right. Okay, so it feels like a nice little drill. As you can see in the the video, my nails are done because I had did a gel set. I did that gel set just to have my nails look like something, because over the pandemic I had stopped doing my nails. I was just mostly wearing my natural nails and got tired of them because it'll break. I am a woman that loves her nails done, and yeah, so I decided I want to start back doing my nails again. So we're gonna be doing that. So yeah, and I'm just putting that drill bit in there to show you guys how it looks on. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to try to show you guys when I cut it on to see if you see the speed it's going. You see it's going a pretty nice speed. And it's very quiet. It's not loud at all. I mean, you can hear it on, but you can't hear it, loud. And excuse me, you guys, I am recording. If anybody know that's my ride or die, y'all know that I stay by a train track. And every time I'm recording, that train does that mostly. So I apologize, you guys. So yes, that's the train. That's how it is in Louisiana, and I'm sure is other places, but yeah. But this is what comes in there, you guys. Let's take this time out to say thank you to all my new and old subscribers. You guys, I am trying to come back so I can make videos here on my YT channel. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that notification bell so every time I upload, you guys will know when I upload, okay? I want you guys to let me know what y'all want me to do, okay?